Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a very short grain hopper train heading north to hook up that grain hopper we just got in last video and 2 videos ago. Let's check it out. There we go. Yeah, sorry about the wind chill. Yeah, we couldn't see it because it was raining. It's been like raining the whole time today here on the Train Expert channel. I'm gonna put the down some since there's a little bit of rain. Huh? There you go. All right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next. Well, wait. Let's wait till they hooked up first. Like we got hooked up this time, I think. There you go. All right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train. Talk to you later.